Good morning students, welcome back to Alchemy online classes. Yesterday we have discussed about notice writing. We have seen the characteristics, what are the tips and all. And I have given one question as a homework. I hope you have done that. If you have not done, we will discuss and you have to do it right now with me. And we will have a quick recap of whatever we have done yesterday. Here we go. So what is the notice? A notice is an official mode of announcement. Its function is to publicize or present information to a particular group of people. It is normally intended to be fixed on a specific display board, whether in school or in public places. It is a formal way of presenting or giving message through a particular group of people. Clear? It is displayed on a notice board. You might have seen in your classes also, you are having a particular notice board where the notice is displayed. Clear? Let us move to the next slide. Characteristics of notice. So these are the main characteristics here. Short piece of writing. This is a short writing skill. Clear? Formal in style. Make information mostly pinned or pasted on a notice board. So these are the main characters. You have to use a formal language. You have to give information whatever you want to give. Then it should be pasted or pinned on the notice board. Clear? Let us move to the next slide. Now this is a proper format which you have to follow. Place within a box. Name of an institution or an organization. Use of the word notice. Date of issue. Name and the designation of a issuing authority. That means your notice should be in a proper box. It should have the institution and the organization name. The word notice should be mentioned and it should be highlighted. It should be written in a capital. Clear? Date of issue you have to mention over there. Then the name and the designation of that particular person who is issuing the notice. Clear? Let us move to the next slide. Now these are the tips which you have to follow. Plan out your notice in a rough work or a rough space where you can write each and everything clearly. Second, write the notice within a word limit, that is up to 50 words. Stipulated word limit, that is 50 words. Clear? Make it visible, appealing with a, that means you have to write or you have to type the notice in such a form that it should be visible to each and everyone and it should have a catchy phrases. Clear? Fourth one, write the date of issue. You have to mention the date when you are issuing the notice. Clear? Number 5th, write the other relevant information such as the time, then the venue, date, everything you have to mention in detail. Who can participate in it and all. Then put it into a box. So we have seen all these things. Let us move to the next slide. Now you have to remember all these points while you are writing a notice. Clear? Use capital letters for the details such as name of the organization. You have to use a capital letter for the name of the institution or an organization. Clear? Second point, date can be placed at the left hand side. That means you have to place your date on the left hand side corner. Third one, always put the entire content in a box. Okay. The tone must be formal. You have to use a formal language. Clear? Next one, put the name of the institution issuing the notice below his or her signature followed by designation. You have to put that person's name, signature and the designation. Who is issuing the notice? Whomsoever is issuing the notice. Clear? Number 6, abbreviation and symbols can also be used. Number 7, the message is to be conveyed using clear and simple language. The message should be very clear and should use a simple language so that it is easy to understand. Clear? Let us move to the next. You have to remember this 5 W's. Now which are these 5 W's? What is going to happen? Where it will take place? When it will take place? Who can apply or eligible for it? Whom to contact or apply to. So you have to remember all these 5 things which you have to mention in the content. That means in the body you have to write all these things in detail. Let us move to the homework. This was your homework which I have given to you yesterday. So we will see the question first. You are the secretary of an activity club in your school. The annual day program is to be held next month. Write a notice for the school display board. You are the secretary of an activity club. What is your title now? Annual day program. This is your title and you have to give all the detailed information. Let us see. See here. There I have not mentioned the school name, so you can mention your school name. Alchemy School, Surat, notice. This all should come in a capital handwriting. Then comes the date. Then this comes about the title. Clear? We are talking about annual day celebration. This is to inform all the students that the school's annual day function will be held on January 25, that is on Saturday, from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. at Devas Mall, Surat. Ahmedabad's collector, Dr. Vikrant Sharma, will grace the occasion as chief guest. And all the students from 1st to 9th class who would like to participate in various programs should contact their respective class teacher till 5th January. I have mentioned 5 W's in this. You can notice here. Then we are talking about first thing. We are talking about the program which is going to be held in our school. That is on January 25. That is Saturday. The timing I have mentioned. Then the venue I have mentioned. Devas Mall, Surat. Then I have mentioned to whom they have to contact. I have mentioned who are eligible, who can participate in this. Clear? So I have mentioned everything in this, and at last I have given the name. If the name is not given, you can write the name whichever is suitable. Like I have written here Ravi, signature, then Ravi's full name, then comes the designation. I hope this is clear to you. Whatever you have written, keep it with you. I'll check after this lockdown process. Okay, let us discuss one more sample here. Okay, you have lost your new watch in the school. Draft a notice to be put on the school notice board giving all the details. You have lost your new watch and you have to draft a notice to the school notice board so that if anyone is getting that watch, they can give you back. Clear? See, I have written the school name here, Alchemy School, Surat, notice. Everything in capital letter. Then comes the date, 15 June 2020. Then 2020 I have written. Then watch lost. What you have lost, you have to mention here. A watch of black color. You have to mention each and everything about the watch. A watch of black color was lost on the school ground on which date? You have to mention June 12th. That is Friday. It is black in color and it is smart watch. Clear? It, if found, please return it to the undersigned. A suitable reward is promised. Undersigned, that means you have to contact to this girl, Nisha. Clear? So if you are getting that watch, you have to contact to Nisha. She is return her grade also. That means she is studying in 7th, A or B, whatever may be. Clear? She is studying in 7th. Clear? So you have to write your notice like this. I hope this is clear to you. I hope the topic is very clear. If you are not clear with your topic, please go and visit to the previous YouTube link where you can see each and everything in detail. For extra content, please visit Extra Mark and Diksha app where you can get the whole topic in detail. Thank you. Take care.